Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will start now by confirming the device supports fingerprint unlocking and that the operating system is updated. This avoids compatibility errors. Next, clean the sensor and dry your finger. Dust or moisture reduces accuracy. Once done, open Settings, go to Security, then Fingerprint and choose Add Fingerprint. Tap the sensor lightly when prompted. You're doing this to build a high-quality template. Multiple, varied touches capture edge details, improving recognition speed and reliability. Now, focus on capturing diverse impressions so the sensor learns your fingerprint's full pattern. Place the center, then the left and right edges, and tilt the finger slightly to capture ridges from different angles. This reduces false rejects. Lift and reposition the finger slowly for about 10 to 15 presses until the progress bar shows completion. Then name the fingerprint profile clearly and enable it for device unlock, payments, or specific apps. This links the template to the correct permissions and speed. To finish, lock the device and test unlocking from different grips and angles. You want reliable success across normal use situations. If recognition fails often, add an alternate finger or re-enroll the same finger with more varied touches. Make sure your case or screen protector isn't misaligned over the sensor, and clean both sensor and finger before testing. If problems persist, update the OS and re-register fingerprints. These steps fix software bugs and template corruption, helping the sensor return to fast, consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.